The idea for Unitech came from my reaction to many years of acting as the owner's representative for design consultants and a couple of years as a building inspector, always seeing that the owner's best interest was normally not what was driving the construction. I always felt that there should be a better way where the owner could be assured that he was getting the best value and producing the best result. I always felt that there should be a way where we should all be on the same side of the table rather than two different sides, and the guy that has the least information is the one paying the bill. That didn't seem to make sense to me. The construction management process is a much more enjoyable and pleasant experience for the owners. And I always felt that if the owner is spending the big bucks and putting together a project, sometimes the largest expenditure they ever might make, then why not have somebody working with you rather than as an adversary to accomplish the project?
Well, I've been involved in project manager for over 25 years, and one of the things I've found is that working with the construction manager is much more collaborative. It's an extension of my office as a project manager, and I find that rather than working in what could be potentially an adversarial relationship, it's very collaborative, and I found it to be very effective from a cost and time standpoint.
Okay, the reason we chose construction management was whenever you build something this significant that's going to affect all your operations, you need someone to communicate with whoever's doing it. So the construction manager really acts like your own employee, your own sort of VP of construction to manage it. The first part of our building done 10 years prior had been done by a general contractor, but a lot of my time got eaten up dealing with the general. And in this case, I didn't have to worry about that.
The CM model, or construction management model, is probably the one that seem to be evolving into for the most part and are most comfortable with. And the main reason is that you all are on the same side of the table. It's a very non-adversarial role that we end up being involved with as far as the owner's relationship with us and as far as the contractor or construction manager's relationship with us. And we find that it just eliminates a lot of the conflict, a lot of the time that's spent sorting out issues. It just seems to be it seems to lend itself to a much more successful outcome in the end for the owner's sake.
The reason I chose construction management for this particular project with the convention center is simply because it was a complicated project. There wasn't a lot of time to get going on it. There wasn't a lot of time to complete it. The owner, myself, had to be involved in many of the different steps. So the construction management process fit better than getting the consultants in and preparing the tenders and going out for tender. So it worked better for everybody, actually. I needed a true construction management process to make this one work. And I've had enough experience in different types of construction with previous employers where the true construction management process really worked well, and it was the one that was going to fit best for here.